Airports invest a lot in parking capacities. Parking lots are the first impressions to most travelers. Still, the most convenient way to get to the airport is by car. Despite its major efforts and investments, Miami airport parking facilities still have tons of issues, from queuing, temporary lack of parking space. People are unable to foretell how much time and money will be spent on parking. Each year, tens of millions of dollars are taken from the customers for parking, and they still have huge complaints about the crappy services at the airport. Very bad ratings, wrathful reviews, fuming met customers. The passengers want to improve the planability of the time of parking, to reduce the distance and time to boarding gate, an easy-to-use service, and a good cost-to-benefit ratio. Miami Airport goals are to ameliorate capacity management and optimization, to boost revenues, to encourage mobile app usage, be more environmentally friendly, and to attain better reviews. There's a simple machine vision-based solution to achieve these goals. It is called Heimdall. Sensors are watching the status of each parking space in the garage. Bluetooth Low Energy is used for sensing the car's position, so we can lead the customer directly to a dedicated parking space, interface to flight info, know which gate the passenger goes to, optimize the parking distance from the gate, offer an advance booking, differentiate rates for parking zones to make it either more comfortable or more affordable. We can raise the total income from parking while offer a better service and cost-to-benefit ratio. For 8,000 parking spaces, we'll use some 2,000 sensors. Heimdall can directly control the access to the garages. Images are converted to objects and variables. Heimdall uses an on-premise service by Amazon. Localization is through the built-in BLE of any modern smartphone. Heimdall gathers the information and feeds them back to the access control and the user's smartphone. The customer will only use the MIA app. Heimdall is kept up to date by the airport's information system. This is a video capture of how the vision processing works at a pilot implementation in Hungary. Each of the parking spaces is assessed, and the cars are identified. The Amazon service is secure and powerful. No images are stored. Cameras are sensors. This is the administrator's view of the dashboard, and here we can manage the properties of each parking space, or a parking lot, or a type or a section of spaces in a car park. This is the Hungary pilot, where an office building's parking lot was automated, so admins are the facility management operators. Authorized number plates belong to different tenants and guests of the offices. The client interface is the mobile application, which is to be built in the existing MIA application. Before the arrival to the airport, the passenger sets his or her preferences, enters his or her booked flights, chooses and books the convenient parking space. When arriving, the gates will open automatically and the passenger is navigated to the booked space. When parked, vision sensors can detect if the car is attempted to be stolen, and an alert can be forwarded to the security service. After returning to the airport, you'll be reminded where you parked and navigated back to your car. Billing is done through the app, at the booking or after leaving. Machine vision automatically detects unauthorized parking, double parking, or any sort of violation of the regulations. The early detection reduces misuse of the capacities through charging the customer or an immediate action by the security or facility management team. This is the summary of the technology cornerstones. We use cheap and reliable ESP-based sensors, less than $20 each, vision sensors and Bluetooth sensors, a robust on-premise middleware and cloud software, We use Amazon's Panorama for machine vision. This is what we call a parking revolution. We accompany the passengers on their journeys from booking through the Mia app to the car park. Heimdall recognizes the status of the spaces, navigates turn by turn, supports sustainability with less cruising around, and helps the disabled. It optimizes cost-to-benefit ratio and increases revenues. Disastrous reviews can be changed thanks to a better experience for the passengers.
Hi, my name is Attila. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of Revival 27. I bring in the customer satisfaction so that the customer is satisfied with our provided and developed solutions. And as an experienced business consultant, I bring in the process aspect and then make sure that the processes are seamlessly integrated with the existing ones of the customer and they are working end to end.
I have 20 years experience in innovation management. I work as a technology analyst. I like to dive deep to get to know all the possibilities. I'm working with universities and other corporations, so I'll overcomplicate things.
But I like to keep things simple. I'm responsible for the delivery team and I make projects work.
We do R&D and quality management consultancy to companies, and we don't only provide them good advices, but also the tools for a change. Sometimes it's methodological, but can also be technical. We'll learn about new technologies. Last year we worked with these sensors and middlewares, and we seek viable products to develop a business case and plan the product lifecycle. Then we sell it to a customer or develop it ourselves. 100,000 USD is 100 tiny details to elaborate. For us, it is 100 days of focus on every aspect of our technology and its possible introduction to the Miami International Airport. After completing this program approximately in half a year, we'll have an analysis of current parking operations at the airport, a technology assessment of the current information systems, including Mia app and flight info, a developed specification of the solution, proofs of concept for each challenging technologies, and an elaborated business model and calculations.